back here on the 56. So after letting this drain all weekend, and yes, those are the original gears. Look at it, says 56 right there. 82256 Dana. That's incredible. The pattern on the gear is actually really nice, and it's not horrible. I think we put some decent gear oil in it and we run it. So that's a positive. I gotta get this part here because all the hoses and lines are on the way. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And then we still need to talk about tires, which we'll have to do right when we're about wrapping up. But I definitely like to put proper tires on it, not radials. Oh wow, that's fun. Solid, just not pretty. I'm gonna get these shocks out of here too. Start on that today. There's no bushing left. I already know there's no way I'm gonna get the shocks unbolted, so I'm just cutting them off with the cutoff wheel. Get them out of here and done. Don't mind the compressor. This donkey is cutting. Anyway, I'm just cutting that off. I'll probably cut the tops too. I'm cutting the bottoms first. Get that out of our hair. I might get frisky enough to do the leaf springs today. Be all done back here. That'd be awesome.